Hey there, fellow gamers! Imagine this. You're racing through the streets of Night City in Cyberpunk 2077, the neon lights reflecting off your screen with breathtaking clarity. Explosions rock the battlefield in Battlefield 2042, every detail rendered in stunning 4K resolution. This, my friends, is the magic of pairing a gaming PC with an LG OLED TV. LG OLED TVs are renowned for their incredible picture quality. Deep blacks, vibrant colors, and infinite contrast bring your games to life like never before. And with features like HDMI 2.1 support, variable refresh rates, and lightning-fast response times, you're guaranteed a buttery smooth, lag-free gaming experience. But to truly unleash the power of your LG OLED TV, you need a gaming PC that can keep up. That's where we come in. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of building a budget gaming PC that perfectly complements your LG OLED TV. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a complete novice, we've got you covered. We'll break down the essential components, recommend the best parts for different budgets, and show you how to put it all together. So, buckle up, grab your screwdrivers, and let's dive into the exciting world of budget PC gaming. Building a gaming PC doesn't have to break the bank. The key is to find the right balance between performance and affordability. To help you out, we've divided our builds into 3 budget categories. Entry-level, around $900, mid-range, about $1,200, and high-end, $1,500 and up. Entry-level, around $900. This budget is perfect for gamers who are new to PC gaming or want to get the best value for their money. You'll be able to enjoy smooth gameplay at 1080p resolution with decent graphics settings. Mid-range, about $1,200. This tier offers a significant step up in performance, allowing you to crank up the graphics settings to high or even ultra at 1080p or 1440p resolution. You'll also enjoy faster loading times and smoother gameplay overall. High-end, $1,500 and up. For the enthusiast gamer, this budget is your ticket to the ultimate gaming experience. Get ready for 4K gaming at high frame rates with all the bells and whistles turned on. This tier is all about pushing the limits of performance. Now that we've got our budget sorted, let's dive into the components you'll need for each build. Our entry-level build is all about maximizing performance without breaking the bank. We've carefully selected components that offer the best bang for your buck, ensuring you can enjoy a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience without emptying your wallet. CPU AMD Ryzen 5 5600. This processor offers 6 cores and 12 threads, providing plenty of power for gaming and everyday tasks. GPU NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. This graphics card delivers smooth 1080p gaming with support for ray tracing and DLSS. Motherboard MSI B550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi. This motherboard offers a solid foundation for your build with support for faster RAM and plenty of connectivity options. RAM Corsair Vengeance, LPX 16GB, 2x8GB DDR4 3200 MHz, 16GB of RAM is the sweet spot for modern gaming, ensuring smooth multitasking and optimal game performance. Storage, Western Digital WD Blue SN 571TB NVMe SSD. An NVMe SSD will significantly reduce loading times and make your entire system feel snappier. Power supply, Corsair CX550F RGB. This reliable power supply provides ample wattage for your system and features a quiet fan. Case fractal design. Focus G Compact. A compact and stylish case with good airflow to keep your components cool. Cooling Cooler Master, Hyper 212 EVO. This popular CPU cooler offers excellent cooling performance at an affordable price. With these carefully selected components, our entry-level build is ready to take on the latest games at 1080p resolution with respectable frame rates. You'll be amazed at the gaming experience you can achieve on a budget. Ready to crank up the graphics settings and experience your games in stunning detail? Our mid-range build strikes the perfect balance between performance and price, delivering a significant upgrade over the entry-level system. CPU AMD Ryzen 5 7600. This processor boasts impressive performance with 6 cores and 12 threads, ready to tackle demanding games and applications. GPU NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. This graphics card delivers exceptional 1440p gaming performance and can even handle some games at 4K resolution with respectable frame rates. Motherboard MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk. This motherboard offers a robust feature set including support for faster RAM, PCIe 4.0 and enhanced audio. RAM, Corsair Vengeance LPX, 16GB, 2x8GB, DDR4 3600 MHz. Faster RAM can provide a noticeable performance boost in some games, and 16GB is still the sweet spot for smooth multitasking. Storage Samsung 980. Pro 1 TB NVMe SSD. This high-performance NVMe SSD offers blistering fast read and write speeds, significantly reducing loading times. Power supply, Corsair RM650X. This fully modular power supply delivers clean and reliable power to your components with a quiet and efficient operation. Case NZXT H510 Flow. This stylish and well-ventilated case provides excellent airflow for optimal cooling performance. Cooling Noctua NHU12S Chromax Black. This premium CPU cooler offers exceptional cooling performance and a sleek black design. With this mid-range powerhouse, you'll be ready to enjoy the latest games at higher resolutions and graphics settings. Get ready for a truly immersive and visually stunning gaming experience. Section 5. High-end build. Unleashing maximum power. Prepare for the ultimate gaming experience with our high-end build. This beastly machine is designed to push the limits of performance, delivering breathtaking 4K gaming at high frame rates with all the eye candy turned on. CPU AMD Ryzen 7 7700X. This 8-core, 16-thread processor is a true powerhouse, capable of handling even the most demanding games and applications with ease. GPU NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. This top-of-the-line graphics card delivers unparalleled 4K gaming performance with support for advanced features like ray tracing and DLSS. Motherboard, Asus ROG Strix B650A Gaming Wi-Fi. This feature-packed motherboard offers everything you need for a high-end build, including support for the latest PCIe 5.0 standard. RAM G-Skill Trident Z Neo 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR5 6000 MHz, 32GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM ensures your system can handle even the most demanding games and applications with ease. Storage Samsung 990 Pro 2 TB NVMe SSD. This lightning-fast NVMe SSD offers blazing fast read and write speeds, making loading screens a thing of the past. Power supply, Seasonic Focus GX 850. This high-quality power supply provides clean and reliable power to your components with a 10-year warranty for peace of mind. Case Lee & Lee O11 Dynamic Evo. This stunning case offers exceptional build quality, ample space for high-end components and excellent airflow. Cooling NZXT Kraken X73 RGB. This powerful all-in-one liquid cooler keeps your CPU running cool and quiet even under heavy load. This high-end build is an investment in the ultimate gaming experience. Prepare to be blown away by the stunning visuals, buttery smooth frame rates, and immersive gameplay. Section 6. Connecting your PC to your LG OLED TV. Now that you've built your dream gaming PC, it's time to connect it to your LG OLED TV and experience gaming nirvana. Here's how to ensure optimal performance. Use a high-quality HDMI 2.1 cable to connect your PC to your LG OLED TV. This will enable features like 4K resolution at 120Hz variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode. Enable game mode on your LG OLED TV to minimize input lag and optimize picture settings for gaming. You can usually find this setting in the picture settings menu. VRR, or variable refresh rate, synchronizes your TV's refresh rate with your PC's frame rate, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering for a smoother gaming experience. Ensure VRR is enabled on both your TV and graphics card settings. HDR, or High Dynamic Range, delivers a wider range of colors and contrast, resulting in a more realistic and immersive gaming experience. Enable HDR on both your PC and LG OLED TV to take advantage of this feature. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your gaming PC and LG OLED TV are perfectly in sync, delivering the best possible gaming experience. Section 7. Unleashing the power of your setup. Congratulations! You've built your gaming PC and connected it to your LG OLED TV. Now it's time to unleash the full potential of your setup and experience gaming like never before. First, make sure to install the latest drivers for your graphics card and other components. This will ensure optimal performance and compatibility with your games. Next, explore the display settings on your PC and LG OLED TV. Experiment with different resolutions, refresh rates, and HDR settings to find the perfect balance for your preferences and the capabilities of your hardware. Don't be afraid to tweak the graphics settings in your games. Start with the preset graphics profiles and then fine-tune individual settings to achieve the desired balance between visual fidelity and performance. Remember, a higher frame rate often contributes more to a smoother and more enjoyable gaming experience than maxing out every graphics setting. Finally, sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the stunning worlds and thrilling gameplay that await you. With your powerful gaming PC and incredible LG OLED TV, you're ready to experience gaming at its finest. Section 8. Budget. Summary, your path to PC gaming glory. As promised, here's a quick recap of the budget breakdown for each of our builds. Entry-level build, around $900. Mid-range build, around $1,200. High-end build, around $1,500 or more. Remember, these are just starting points. You can adjust the components and budget based on your specific needs and preferences. The most important thing is to choose components that offer the best value for your money and will allow you to enjoy the games you love. Building a gaming PC is a rewarding experience that allows you to tailor your system to your exact specifications. With a little planning and effort, you can create a gaming rig that will provide you with countless hours of entertainment. Section 9, Conclusion, join the PC gaming revolution. So, what are you waiting for? Join the PC gaming revolution and experience a level of immersion, performance, and customization that consoles simply can't match. With your very own custom-built gaming PC and a stunning LG OLED TV, you'll be ready to take on the latest games in style. We hope this guide has been helpful in your quest to build the ultimate budget gaming PC for your LG OLED TV. Now go forth, build your dream machine, and game on. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more PC building tips, tricks, and shenanigans. And let us know in the comments below which build you're planning to go for, or if you have any questions. Happy gaming!